Oh no! Guys, look at that. Look, guys, for this video, you guys know who he is. Alright guys, so I just made it to my girlfriend's house and look, this is our kid for those of you that didn't know. Hi. You wanna get on the board? Here, grab it. Get on the board. Bet you $10 she's gonna lick it. Like watch. Oh, I do. Baby, come here. Take a bite of the watermelon.
Hey man.
Damn, not the whole thing. Alright you guys, so we're gonna head out to the airport right now. No. Come here.
I look like a boy.
Come here. No you don't, you look like a girl.
I do look like a boy.
Is my baby gonna miss me? Alright you guys, so we just arrived at the airport. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry, I know that hurt. I just arrived at the airport. I'm about to go inside and get checked in. Guys, she's so sad. She doesn't want me to go. But I'm gonna be back in 2 days. It's only 2 days. But still, be careful, okay? Bye, baby. Give me a kiss. I love you. Guys, I'm not crying, I swear. Okay. I don't even know where to go. It's the first time that I leave out of town without my girlfriend, so that's why she was a bit sad. But it's only 2 days. I'll be back soon. So I really wanted to walk through the airport with my eyes closed just so I wouldn't see any vending machines. And look at the first thing I spot right over here. Some vending machines. I really didn't want to buy anything because guys, the vending machines here at the airports are so expensive. But anyways, look how nice these vending machines are. I got two options, either a bottle of water for $2.50, but I really want that orange juice, but it's $3. There's no way I'm gonna pay $3. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. All right, now where's my change? I put a $5 in. Just 1, 2, $2.50. Literally 5 minutes walking into the airport, I saw a vending machine, so of course I had to buy something. I got a water for the first vending machine. Hopefully I don't see any more because I'm really not trying to spend a lot of money, but I guess that's the point of the video. So I am live right now, as you guys can see on my phone. I was asking people if I should get Starbucks, and everyone said I should get Starbucks, which is right there.
For the vlog.
Yeah.
How many subscribers?
Almost 100,000. There's a vending machine, not one, not two, but there's 3 right in front of Starbucks. So now I gotta buy something. I'm asking people right now what I should buy. I mean, I don't drink soda, so it can't be soda. What? Guys, look at that. $2 for a Hershey. And we got it.
Happy birthday to you.
Alright you guys, so I'm finally in Vegas. I'm so excited. I just had the most uncomfortable flight ever. It was so hot. But anyways, I was walking through the airport and look what I found, of course. So now I gotta buy something else. Bag of Cheez-Its is $3.50. Bro, what? That's crazy. Let me get these overpriced chips. Morning.
What's your name, please?
Jaime.
Who is it?
Jamie?
Jamie?
Yeah. I've been walking for about like 20 minutes. I thought I was lost, but I think it's this huge building over there. Oh, no. Guys, look at that. Oh, it's only water. Let's see how much this water is. $3? What? It doesn't even take it. Oh, it works. This is the hardest choice ever. Guys, which one do I get? Okay, there we go. Vending machine number, what, I think 4. Alright, so I got my overpriced water. Hopefully I don't see any more vending machines at the event, which I will most likely see just because, you know, it's a vending event. Alright guys, look, check this out. We found a cupcake sprinkle vending machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, but I have no idea how much it is. That's crazy. Like a vending machine just for cupcakes? You think people use it?
Man, get something good.
Chocolate marshmallow?
Nah, that don't even sound good. What they say on there?
It said
Peanut butter?
It said banana, strawberry,
Marshmallow, someone said.
chocolate.
Oh, we getting all type of flavors here.
I just want to see how much it is. $4.50 for a cupcake. Are you guys gonna use it? Yeah, you can go ahead first.
I didn't get mine though. What happened to mine?
Hey, yeah, where's ours? I kind of want to get one just to try it, but at the same time, it's $5.
This is a black and white cupcake, Belgian dark chocolate.
Black and white.
That looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Who wants to take a bite? See if it's good.
All right, let's take a bite.
You like it? Good? Yay!
Let's see.
What flavor you got?
Banana.
Banana? It's good?
It's like banana bread.
Mike, what we finna do?
Hey, we're about to go on the sky.
Alright guys, so right now we're actually at Abondended zip lining. It goes all the way over there, all the way across, right over there. I'm sorry, I just got ones.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. There he goes. He's balling with that vending machine money.
Hey, I'm kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like you guys should be scared every single time they make you sign a waiver. That's when you know you should be scared. You know what I'm saying?
Sign a waiver.
You didn't sign a waiver?
I didn't sign a waiver.
For real?
You signed a waiver?
No, I didn't sign a waiver. Alright guys, so we just got done I was gonna say skydiving. What is it called? Zip lining. I wasn't able to record, so I'm sorry.
I got little bits right here. I'm watching my man Jaime Ibanez.
Who's that?
Hey, that's my dude right there. What's up?
Like they're right there. He said look for the one. Is he really 4'9"?
Hey boys! Jay,
What's up? What's up? How you doing?
see you, bro.
Nice to meet you. You wanna say what's up? Look guys,
yeah,
for those of you, you guys know who he is. Quick
Yes,
play.
sir. Quick play and Jaime Ibanez.
Alright you guys, so I'm back at the convention center, and of course I knew I was gonna bump into more vending machines. This is like the biggest setup I've seen so far. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vending machines, and 3 are literally just full of water. I'm kind of thirsty, so I might have to go ahead and get a water. Oh, it's not even cold. Oh my god. Look, not only was this bottle of water $3, okay, which is like I almost fell, which is like way overpriced, but it's not even cold. What is it? Like, why is it Tootsie Roll? Oh, it's Tootsie Roll inside? That's awesome. Dang, that's crazy. Guys, it's a Tootsie Roll gumball. I want to see if it's good.
Tootsie Roll, so yeah, let's bite into it.
That's good. Look at all the different types of gumballs they got. Look how small this claw machine is. Check it out. Look, it says winner every time. So let's see if I actually win something. Oh, I did get something. I got a little hot dog. Okay, so it's really sunny right now, so I'm sorry. But guys, look, I'm so mad. Okay, I'm so mad. I've been spending all this money on all these vending machines. I'm going broke. So what do you do when you're mad? You break stuff.
Do it, smash it. Dude, I feel like this is where people go up to our regular. Little hanger out.
Bro, I'm a huge fan. I'm a huge fan. Can I get a picture? Can I get a picture? So after this, I decided to put the camera down and hang out with my friends right before I went back home. I left Vegas that night at 4 in the morning, so I was way too tired to film. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.